Hello TraderXP members and welcome to today's market review. It is the 6th day of April. We're back after a long extended holiday weekend and we're glad to have you with us today as we begin our daily market review. I wanted to first start with talking about the euro and the US dollar. Euro and the US dollar, we had the NFP on Friday, which was positive. We didn't see a lot of movement, very low volume day because of Good Friday. We saw most of the reaction for the NFP happen yesterday. We're looking here on a daily chart, but what I want to do is I want to go down to a 1 hour chart here and look over the last few days. So we see the NFP here, and we're looking yesterday, we're seeing the reaction of the NFP right there, and we continually see the decline of the euro as it's right now sitting at around 133.77. Interestingly enough, this pair is bound to remain volatile as we continue to expect U.S. and Euro data results this week. Additionally, next, let's go ahead and move on, talk slightly about the stock market. We have the Dow Jones Industrial flirting with the 11,000 mark. Optimistic results from the U.S. with the non-farm payrolls, with the ISM manufacturing are also assisting the stock market in gaining, and just expect for the U.S. stock market to remain volatile, as this 11,000 mark is somewhat of a milestone for the Dow Jones. But more importantly, what I want to talk about the U.S. dollar and the Canadian. The loonie, as we take a look here, is testing the parity line as we speak, reaching the even $1 for the Canadian dollar, $1 for a US dollar. This pair remains interesting. The Canadian is a commodity-driven currency being affected strictly by oil, so keep an eye out on this pair. This pair could remain interesting. A further drop here could cause some tension on the US dollar, and the Canadians aren't really too pleased with what they're seeing with the strength of the Canadian dollar right now against the US dollar. So keep an eye on this pair. We've got a few more things coming out of the US today. Actually, just one more thing, which is the Federal Reserve meeting minutes, which will have traders looking for information on the monetary policy and the interest rate announcement coming out of the US later this month. Thank you for tuning in, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Happy trading.